Hi guys, it's the beginning of season 5 on our channel, and where we are in Delhi, and we are going to this place in Delhi called the Lodi Garden, as there are many birds there. So today we are going for bird watching at Lodi Garden, as it's very hot in the summer. But never mind, as today it turned out to be windy and it is cloudy, and I feel that the day is perfect for bird watching. So let's go and look for some birds. Right, we are off to Lodi Garden. We are already a few minutes into this. So let's see what birds we'll find in Lodi Garden. Yeah. Here we are passing the Yamuna River. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, but it is full of plastic. If you see, there are 3 eagles. Yeah, there they are. 3 eagles. Wow. We keep catching up on them. Can you see? There's one bird who is sitting on that light. Can you see? Yeah, they're right there. So, right now we are here at the Lodi Garden, and there are many entrances to the Lodi Garden, and we are here at the back gate entrance. So at this back gate entrance, and there are ducks and all here at the Lodi Garden, and so we are closer to them when we are at the back gate. They are actually right there. Oh, can you see there are a couple of pigeons who are sitting on that tree? Can you see right there, and a couple of pigeons are sitting on, wow, the tree. Oh my word, look. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, and there are a cup and fountains are surrounding us on both sides. But wow, here we are quite close to the birds now. Wow. And can you see in between, there is this bird which is feasting. Wow. Wow. Can you see? Here are those ducks. They're right next to the fountain, but wow, amazing. Have a look at that. Wow. We saw a turtle dove eating some biscuit on a rock stone. Turtle doves are different and from the doves we saw in Allahabad, but they are surely beautiful. Yeah. There was a crow eating some things. Right, we are closer to the ducks now, and they are all eating dinner. Wow. There was one duck which was walking right along the fountain edge. Wow, amazing duck. Yup, and there are a ton of ducks in here. Wow, have a look. Wow, can you see? Wow. That is a lot of ducks. They're all shouting.
Look at that one. What a beautiful color. Have you seen
Wow.
that pink duck before?
Wow. I'm making a lot of sounds. Wow. Can you see? Yeah. That particular brown duck is making the sound.
Ducklings there. Can you see?
Look at this.
Look at those ducklings over there.
There are a few ducklings in the far off distance as well. Wow, they are drinking from a watering hole. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of sound coming from this area, from all of the ducks. Wow. They're going on and on squeaking loud. And this one is foraging for its food and having some water from a puddle. There. Wow, have a look. They're all walking in a line. Look, there's a crow making some noise in that tree. Wow. Can you see a squirrel is foraging for food, and it's a baby one? Wow. And over here, the ducks are swimming. Wow. And over there, they are drinking some water. While on the other side of action, sorry, there was a big tree there. On the other side of action, a lot of swimming from the ducks is going on. And they are also foraging like those painted stalks we saw in Rangana. They do. Off they set to swim, these four ducks. Wow, and they can actually swim quite fast. And they are going to join these other ducks at the end, I suppose. There are some adolescent, I should say some juvenile ducklings right here. They are not fully adult. That's what I mean. Have a look. They are all eating some food. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see there are so many Mynas over here? Wow. And wow, look, there are baby squirrels all over. Wow. There's one there and even there's one there. Wow. And there are Mynas walking over here. And there's one more squirrel. Wow, wow, wow. There are so many. There is a parakeet right there. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see? There it is. Couple of parrots. Yeah, right there. Couple of parrots who are, wow. Oh, they flew away. And there's one pigeon. Literally up on that tree, there is an eagle. Can you see? It's sitting. Yeah, just in the center of the picture. Can you see? There's a squirrel. Yeah, just eating. Can you see? There's an eagle flying. Wow. Oh, it goes. Whoa. Oh my goodness. There are so many eagles just flying in the air. Wow. Wow. Can you see? We put an arrow, but there are tadpoles. Can you see? They are moving. There are fish in this pond. Have a look. Wow. Yeah, this might actually be dinner for ducks. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that one just splashed out? Wow. Wow. These are catfish. Wow. And here's a golden fish. Can you see? Yeah, in that water. Yeah, there's a lot of fish action going on right now. Yeah. Wow, and he's feeding them food.
Look at this fellow. Coming like a jet.
Wow. And he's coming really fast. Now this is great. Looking at, see, way far back there is a bird acting as the king of the world. Oh, there goes a ton of eagles. Can you see? We'll have put an arrow on that, but there is a bird which is sitting on top of the tree watching it. Yep. Here's a closer view of that bird on the tree, but we'll still put an arrow. Wow.